Welcome back to Get and Go, everybody. Today I have a project slash product video I'm kind of going to be doing for you. I'm going to be revamping the back of my truck bed a little bit, the counter space and the cabinets and whatnot. Just not really working out for me the way I kind of want. As much as I love the way it is, it's just not really working out. So I'm going to revamp this a little bit, and I'm doing it with the help of my new custom Milwaukee Packout mounting plates, which was provided to me by Boco Customs. And so guys, we'll talk about this, and we'll get this project on the go. I'll explain what I'm doing as I go, so stick around. All right, guys, so as you can see, I have these two Milwaukee Packouts here, and I've got this tabletop. So my problem is the distance between the tabletop to the ceiling is like maybe 18 inches. So the problem I have is if it's pouring rain outside, I don't have enough room to actually cook in my truck. Because by the time I get the stove on here, even when I use my jet boil, like it's barely touching the top. Like there's enough room, but I don't have enough room to sit there and cook and actually see what I'm doing. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to lower or remove this side here. And I'm gonna use a Packout box that's probably about half the size of this. It won't be a drawer, but so I think all I'm gonna really do is maybe cut the table around this here. Maybe this, about this distance, almost halfway through the table. And then what I'll do is I'll mount this on top of the other half box. I will be losing this space in here quite a bit, but I don't really use that too much anyways. So again, like I say, the whole idea is to be able to cook in here. It's kind of been a lot of my excuses why I can't go away on rainy weekends, because I'm always cooking outside around the tailgate. Like I do have the awning, but again, if it's pouring rain and everything else, I can't get a good video in while I'm doing it. So yeah, I thought, you know what? Since Boco Customs offered me those plates, I thought, you know what, this is a perfect opportunity to try it. So we're going to remove the ones we have now, and we're going to revamp this whole little tabletop. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, before we get started, let's tell you about these plates from BocoCustom.com. Boco Customs designs and perfects heavy-duty low-profile solutions for optimal organization. With a sleek height of just ½ inch and weight capacity of 300 pounds, their plates offer significant more room under your tools than the leading brand, ensuring efficient workspaces. Crafted from 10-gauge steel, which measures 1/8 of an inch thick, these plates surpass other mounting plates on the market. They also offer 14-gauge light-duty low-profile plates. Boco's designs offer universal mounting capabilities, which maintaining 16 inches between bolt holes for secure installation on your studs in your shop, garage, or in your vehicle. They offer 10-gauge 304 stainless steel for marine applications, 10-gauge raw steel, polished and ready to paint, and 10-gauge powder-coated textured black for a durable finish. While making the double mounting plates, they also make the single style plate for even more custom mounting preferences. Boco Customs doesn't only make mounting plates for the Milwaukee Packouts, they also make custom plates for the DeWalt Tough System 2.0, the Klein Mod boxes, and also the Husky toolboxes. Scissors been hiding behind here. Wonder how long they've been in there for. Awkward. All right, guys, so here they are kind of side by side. If you wanted to compare them, you can see the custom Boco plates are they're a lot smaller than the original Milwaukee mounting plates. So you can tell, just even line them up, try to line them up here. Like these plates are at least almost 3 inches longer, 3 inches longer. So these are better just for that reason alone, for space saving. Now, if you could, hopefully you can see, kind of see the height difference. So the original plates, they probably got about another ½ inch of height than the Boco plates. So that'll do us a little bit better too. Every millimeter would count. So especially, like I say, I'm just trying to get more space, but or still try to keep as much storage, but at a lower level. So, I mean, between the two of them, weight-wise, I mean, to pick this up, it's plastic, it's not bad to pick this up. For heavy gauge steel, it's actually pretty light as well. So you can see the difference. Well, I might take a try or two, I guess you'd say, to get them actually lined up perfect, because again, as you can see the distance, you can see the imprint where the old ones were in the carpet, and then how much more room I got. So I'm kind of lining it up by certain holes, but I don't know, I guess we can try it, put the tabletop on and see. All right, so the new plates are mounted. I'm going to put the packouts on here to make sure that I have enough room so they're not bumping into my clamps here. So let's see if hopefully the packouts fit and I don't have to redo that. All right, so here's the idea. So there is the one packout there that I'm going to remain as from before, and then I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one or another one that's just a little bit bigger than that. Once I get the table on and get it measured up to see, then I'll go by that. Now this one here actually seems like it is a little too close to the wall over here. So I may have to adjust that and move it over. Again, I don't want to have to take those feet off the back of the tabletop and try to reline them. So I'd rather just unscrew that easily, slide it over a little bit. And this one should be fine no matter what, because it can overhang on either side. So let's see how it worked out. All right, let's get this countertop cut first. All right, guys, so you can kind of see the idea I'm going with here. So this side actually worked out well. The tabletop fits on there nice and snug. It's not going anywhere. But this one, however, I forgot was overhanging the lip on the cap on the topper there. So I just have to trim probably like another 2 inches all along the back of that board. And then this will be usable. And again, I have it just barely, I can't get it to click in. So I'm gonna have to trim some off the back there. Here we go. So like I said, I just gotta take probably 1.5 to 2 inches off the back of this, and it should fit in there snug. Let's get the saw going. All right, let's see how it fits. Beautiful. It actually fit nice. Oh, that's perfect. I just clear this as well. Oh, not in there properly, but there we go. So I can still access what I need to. Put it up here. Why'd I have a problem closing it though? I was just on a bit of an angle, that's all. Okay, it'll work. So I can still got room to clip it, lock it. That's not gonna go anywhere. So now I might just actually round these corners out a little bit and then give that a little coat of paint. This side will be fine. And again, I could use any pack out here, so I could keep it here. I can put the other one back on and just keep that on top. The only difference now is it's going to be a little shorter at the back, 2 inches, than what that board is. But yeah, I think it'll work out perfect. Just lots of room to unlock it, open it up, get what I need, put it aside, close it back down, and it locks again. Guys, this is exactly what I wanted. Again, I can keep my power station up here. And again, I have actually room to cook here now. I've got a ton of space between the two. And again, once again, I can put any pack out box underneath here. And I can raise it up a little bit more. I do have one that's a little bit deeper than this. I'm going to try it out and see. Maybe I'll go get that now. But at the end of the day, you kind of see what it's like. So, all right, let me get everything finished up, set up the way I want, kind of show you. And we'll give you a walk through how it's all set up. See you in a bit. We'll just give her a little kiss of paint. It doesn't really need a lot. Just enough to kind of give it a seal. I'll do the other side as well. Yeah, we get little touch-ups here too from being banged around and dinged around in the garage. Why not? All right, guys, let's hop in and see how it turned out. So I'm very happy with it. It still looks neat. Still looks pretty tidy. Functionality is going to be awesome. Again, I lost a little bit of storage, but I gained more space, I guess you'd say. More space, less storage. So I'll show you again how it works out. You can see up there now my little table's up there, so I can keep the Jackery there. I keep the tablet all up there. Keys, personal stuff. And when it's time to cook, just gotta unlock these. Pop up the lid. The lid will even stay there. And you just dig in, grab what I need. Even if it's coffee in the morning. Oh, sorry, hard to do with one hand here. Can grab everything I need. Close it down. Now I've got tons of room for the stove. Make a coffee in the morning. Tons and tons of room. Yeah, look at the height difference. So that's how much room I saved. And I have a lot of room now from the top of that to the roof. Lots of room. So guys, as you can see, tons of room. Got all my gear. Can set it up. I have tons of room to cook. Let's set this stove. I'm not going to cook a meal right now, but just kind of show you an idea. We get this little mini stove I got. Plunk her down. I don't think I have a pot in here right now, but even a frying pan, whatever. So throw right on here. Lots of room to cook. Give you an idea before. It was way up here. It'd be hard for me to cook. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's quite a bit of difference. So now if it's pouring rain or a blizzard outside, there's no excuse why I can't go truck camping. Well, guys, that worked out perfect. I got it all first try too. I didn't have to move things around. Again, I would like to thank Boco Customs for sending me these Milwaukee mounting plates. They worked out perfect. I actually liked them a lot better than what the original Milwaukee makes and you can buy. They look better, like even they're a little shorter. Like I said, a ½ inch is a big difference for me in here inside the tight space. Remember, they don't just make them for Milwaukee. They make them for the DeWalt Tough boxes, make them for the Klein boxes as well as the Husky boxes. And correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure. You can always double check on their website. I think they will make some custom ones for you as well. So as always, the information for Boco Customs will be down in the description, and as well as, you know, a link to their Instagram. So check them out, guys. They got some pretty cool stuff. So I just want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch my video. So another couple of videos I got coming up, guys, is I'm going to be making a mini version of my ultimate camp kitchen. The big camp kitchen that we did make, which is actually awesome for when Beth and I are both out truck camping. It's nice. We got the, you know, the awning out, but I'm going to make a mini version for tent when we're hot tenting and we just want to go tent camping. So I'm going to be making a mini version of that. I got a really cool idea for that coming. Plus Beth and I have something pretty big coming in the works. Might not be till the end of August, beginning of September, but let's just say we're getting a truck camper upgrade. So we'll fill you in more of that when it comes. I think we literally have to travel across Canada to go get this thing. So stay tuned for that. What else we got coming up? Well, fishing season's starting. And again, I'm gonna be doing some truck camping now that I got this set up. So guys, once again, I appreciate you checking out the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
Jay and Beth rolling, get and go, hit the track. Truck bed dreams, got the cooler in the back. Campfire popping, wood cracking like the beat. Bass jumping in the lake, winter's breath bringing heat.